In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple currencies for your online store. So for us to do this, the first thing we do here is we navigate to the store management section here and select settings. In the settings section, we select localization and select currencies. So this is where we'll see the list of active currencies we have in the store. So currently you can see that I only have the Naira currency set as the default store currency. So if we want to add an additional currency to the store, we come here and click on the add button. All right. So let's say, for example, we want to add the dollar currency to the store. So I've already written down the content I'm going to fill here. So this is where I wrote it down here. So for the currency title, we copy the US dollar and paste it here. For the currency code, note that you can always get your currency code if you don't know it by clicking this button here. So this will open the currency codes list page. All right. So, but for this example, I already have my currency code written down here. So I copy this and paste it. For the currency symbol, we are using the left currency symbol option. We can also use the right currency symbol option, but for this example, we use the left currency symbol option. So we copy the symbol here and put it here. For the decimal places, we set the default option as 2. For the value, that's the exchange rate value for this currency, we leave this empty. And then we enable the currency status and save. So now that we've saved it, you can see that the Invotide platform has an automated exchange rate system. So this exchange rate value system uses the default store currency to set the exchange rate value for the other currencies. So if you open the edit page again, you can see that the exchange rate value has been set automatically for this currency. So let's save again. If we want to refresh this exchange rate value, we can always come here and click on the refresh button here. So this will pull and add the latest exchange rate value for the currencies in the store. So note that the default store currency must be set as 1. So the value of the default store currency must be set as 1. This is to enable the exchange rate system to be able to set the correct exchange rate values for the other secondary currencies. So let's say we add an additional currency. Let's say we add the pound sterling currency. To do that, we come here and click on the add button here. So I've written down the contents for the pounds currency. I'll go ahead and copy it here. So for the currency title, copy this and paste it here. For the currency code, we copy the currency code, paste it here. So we are still going to use the symbol left option. So we copy the currency symbol, put it here. For the decimal places, we set it as 2. So we leave the exchange rate value since it should be added automatically. We enable the currency status and then save. So you see that the new pound currency has been added and the exchange rate value has also been added automatically as well. So let's say we are only adding these 2 currencies in the store. So now that the currencies are active, we can go ahead and check the store front end to see if the currencies are functional. So let's go ahead and open the storefront. All right. So in the storefront section, we select the currency option here. So you can see that the two new currencies are active here. So when we select any of the currencies here, the prices of the products will be adjusted based on the currency exchange rate value. So let's say, for example, we select the US dollar currency, right? So you see that the prices of the products have been updated to the dollar currency here. If we select the pound currency, you see that the prices of the product has also been updated as well to the pound currency value, right? So take note that when you order, let's say we place an order for this product, let's go ahead and do that. All right. All right, let's enter the login details here. Proceed. All right, so in this section, we are going to choose the delivery option. So we select this as the delivery option. All right, select the delivery option here. Proceed. So for the payments method, we proceed as well. So let's go ahead and place the order and all right, so the order has now been placed. If we go back to the admin panel, to view the order, we navigate to store management section, select sales, select orders. So you see that since we used the pound currency to place this order, you can see that in the orders section, the currency used to place the order is what that will be saved for that order. So opening the order details page, so you can see that the currency was used to save this order. In addition to adding the currencies, we also have the option to change the store default currency. So let's say we want to change the store default currency from the Naira currency to the dollar currency. To do this, we navigate to the store management section here, select settings, and select stores. So here we are going to edit the store general settings by clicking the edit button here. So in the settings page, we select the local option. And then here under the currency section, we go ahead and change it from the Naira currency to the dollar currency. So once we make this change and then save, the store default currency will be set as the US dollar currency. So let's go ahead and save. All right. So now that we've saved, if we navigate back to the currency settings page by selecting the store management section, select settings, and then under the settings section, we select localization. So here, if we select currencies, you see that in the currency list page, the default currency has been updated to the dollar currency. So once we make the change of our store default currency, we'll need to ensure that we update the currency exchange rate value. So we are going to change this currency's exchange rate value to 1, right? So we come here and change this to 1. We save it. All right. And then we come here and change the Naira currency exchange rate value to 0. So once we make this change and save, also update the product prices. So What this means is that since we made the change from the Naira currency to the US dollar currency, after we must have adjusted the change, we need to go to the product section by navigating to the catalog and select products. So here we need to ensure that we update the prices of this product to reflect the new currency as to reflect the dollar currency as the default currency, because the price of these products were set using the Naira currency. So once we make the change, the price will not be accurate until we come here and edit each of the products and update the prices. So let's go back. The next thing we do here is, after we have adjusted the values because we changed the default currency, we'll come here and click on the refresh button here. So now you see that the currency exchange rate value has been updated to reflect this change. So now the US dollar is used as the default currency. So this is how we can adjust the store default currency and also ensure that we have set the right exchange rate value for the existing currencies. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up multiple currencies for your online store. Thank you for watching.